Kelli Corscadden for Oceanside Tourism, and today is sea kayaking. We're going out on the water and it's a beautiful day, so it should be really fun. So I'm in Nanoose Bay, and adventure sea kayaking is in the residential area here, and as long as you follow the directions on their website, it's pretty easy to find. And they do sea kayaking year-round, so we're going to go out and see some sea lions and check out the bay.
Hey, hi, I'm Jan Kretz of Adventurous Sea Kayaking and also Adventurous Wilderness Adventures for Women. So here we are. So we're just going to get ourselves settled now. Okay. We go to a number of places as well as the day tours. I do multi-days up to 4 days, so all over Vancouver Island.
We're getting ready for a 2-hour trip and I'm super excited. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can hear the sea lions barking. We're gonna go see what they're doing.
It was a dark and stormy night, and these people ended up on this island, and they thought they were somewhere else. So when they woke up in the morning, they realized they weren't where they thought, so they called this mistake now.
So peaceful here.
These are California sea lions, and the males can get up to be 8.
Yeah, this is a really good time to see them. They kind of taper off and then they're pretty well gone by the end of May, beginning of June.
That was so much fun. It was such a peaceful day, but it really doesn't have to be. You can kayak here year-round with adventure sea kayaking. You gotta try it yourself. This is crazy.